Hello, it's me, Shenell, and welcome to my fall decorate and clean with me in my office. Well, hello everyone, it's me, Shenell here, and as I told you in the previous clip, this is a cleaning motivation. I have been in here just working. I have my hair clip in my hand because I'm going to have to pin up this hair and get it going. So let's get to work. Ooh. Yeah. So give me some motivation, and then we're going to decorate just a little bit for fall. Okay, here we go. Now this is what it looks like. I told you this is a working office. Fabrics where I have been working on for some drapes. My desk has turned into a sewing and cutting table. I have draped it, and sewing machine out. My computer is over there across the room. And as you can see, it's a lot going on in here where I have been working as well. And yeah, lint and everything on the floor. Just a lot of work that has been going on. So I'm gonna get started with this clean and decorate room. So I hope you all enjoy this and just get some motivation, because I sure needed to wrap this up. Let's get going. So as you can see here, it's just a few things that I had around the room. Well, not a few, quite a bit of things I had going on here. Some tea towels I was making and personalizing, and just a lot of things that, again, I had going on in the room, and a lot of my Cricut accessories as well, the vinyls and things like that that I was using for cutting, and I had my Cricut out. So I had many projects going on in the room, sewing curtains, adding some backing to a set of curtains that I had purchased that you'll see in a upcoming video as well. And that is a tip that I'll give you in the video as well, how you can add your own backing to your curtains so they can then turn to drapes. And yeah, just to take away the see-through option, that the sheerness that may be on some store-bought curtains. And as you can see here, just removing a lot of the papers and mail and different things that I had in here that I had filed away, putting away all of my different sewing equipment as well, and some plates that you'll see in a upcoming DIY for fall that I'll be showing as well. And yeah, I'll just let you watch the video and everything that I have going on in the space. And again, she is just really working. She's been working quite a bit all day long, and she's just gonna put everything away for now and resume with the finished portion of making the curtains, as well, as you can see with that beautiful creamy white, well, it's not actually white, it's a cream color, for a set of drapes that I am making for a bedroom. And you'll see that also in a upcoming video. So I have quite a bit of things coming up for you to see, and so I just have been working quite tirelessly in my office. And again, this space is a working space. It is not just for the pretty, even though I like and love the pretty. It is, again, a very much working space. And don't mind the cabinet. It is not completely organized. So yeah, again, don't mind that cabinet. Again, it's not completely organized, as you will see, just a small portion of it. And I'll show that maybe in a upcoming video, as well as I organize it. Well, I do a refresh on it anyway. It is pretty much organized. It just has quite a few things that is open right now that I just kind of, yeah, I shoved them in there just to get them out of my space, so that I can have a clean space and neat space just to work in at my desk at this point. So I hope you enjoy the video and get you some motivation to do a little cleaning, as well as upcoming, you'll see a little fall decor that I'm going to add to the space as well. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Shenell, and watch the video in its entirety. And I'll see you in the next one.